welcome to part 2 of the Cars Leaving Trax at Silverstone. So if you haven't seen part 1, maybe go watch it first, maybe don't. Enjoy the video. Right, the insignia still has the Tasmanian Devil on the rear spoiler. I'm not sure if that's intentional. It looks it, he's collecting all of the flies in his gob. Yeah, it seems they've strapped the Tasmanian Devil to the rear spoiler. Wow, he's along for the ride. And here we have a Golf pulling half of a Golf. It's a Z with a big spoiler. That is wider than the car. And next, the Anarchy Garage. Mercedes E63 AMG with a Mustang shell. And now we have the off-roading Seat with the light bar and the snorkel. That was a sleeper, and someone said something I didn't hear. We have the 911 Turbo, seems pretty quick. Will we get some accelerations? Oh! It just goes! Oh! We do have an S14 behind it in platinum. Oh, he was going to... Oh! The Celica was doing some bits. The Megane is two-tone, but not in a usual way that you'd expect. Hello! Was that a love heart? I don't know.
Everyone loves you.
TTRS! Now we have a lineup of M3 touring creations. So they've got, oh, there's an E46 one as well. E46, the E90-ish generation, and the F80-ish generation. There they are. We've got the E46 next, got the yellow one behind that. It's the E90 gen after that one, and then camo green. It's very cool. Oh, Evo and Supra, and a diesel dust car. And now we've got the GTR and the RX-7. I filmed the wrong car, I think. It provided minimal noise. Now behind the green GTR we have a supercar lineup. We have the Huracan with an 812 Superfast behind. Another S14, this one in purple. Little slide, and then about the first shadow he noticed the policeman officers. SC170 with its spotlights as someone pops next to me and got me in the ear. A really nice colour on the Z4 with the golden wheels as well. The big Lexus as well, and a purple GTR behind that. We have a red Citroen C1 with green stripes, making some noises. And the 50. Yeah, he said some words. There's a TT with a large spoiler coming up next, and a scoop in the bonnet. We've got a white Toyota Supra, because everyone loves the white Supra. I think it's true as well. Oh, there's a colour flip Supra in front of it. Supra. He put on a scene. There's actually quite an impressive Supra turnout today of Mark 4s and Mark 5s. Oh no. Oh, it's going after the Supra. That's chasing the Supra. Yeah, that's for the Supra. Oh no. Whoa! The Astra wasn't hanging around. There's the yellow Supra and another Supra behind the Supra. Supra. Oh look, there's an Audi with an updated front end. It's had a lot changed to that one. The Mini goes... Oh, we have a V10 RS6. Can we hear it? Let's hope. Oh yes. We have an American police car after that Subaru. Oh, my name was called. Oh, there's a dark green M4 with golden wheels. It's a dreamy spec. Oh, is it yellow? Is it black? It's an indecisive one. S15. And a Mach 1 Mustang. Matching me, there's the A90 Supra next up. Mustang with UFO. It wasn't a UFO because it wasn't flying. Chewbacca noises, maybe? Oh, surprise. We have an NYPD police car now. Sounding wicked. Have had a bigger turbo because that was crazy. And now we have another one. Anyway, I was saying we have the fourth white chaser of the day. Where is it? Oh, it's gone. It went the other way. Oh well. We have another JZX 100 chaser coming up. That was a dark green. And now approaching in traffic with all the modified cars. From the public car park we have a Lamborghini Aventador. So someone has brought an Aventador to a modified car show. Oh, love that sound. Got the E36 Twizzler Ute. It's Adam C! What am I doing driving past? Go on, Adam, send it. Mine's fine. This van sounds great. It's a VR6. Minty Subaru. And the chrome holographic A45. It's all going to happen now. Disappeared or something because everyone's making lots of noise. Turbos! It was turbos. Oh yes. Oh look, we're matching the RAC. Yeah, yes. Another Supra. The Duke snaked us. So many lovely colours. And green. Now we have a blue Lamborghini Huracan Spider. And a revving C63. As the S14 pulls round two. One of my favourite cars today, this Mini Paceman. Really like that. And the Lasagna Ferrari 360 Challenge car. Alright, how are you doing? There's some loud noises there. Another Supra. What are they for? A couple of R33s, mint and white. The Golf was being very risky. Very risky indeed. Oh, the chaser! Doing risky things as well. Yeah, another Supra. We even have a Lotus Esprit in purple. And next up, the Jaguar S-Type, the TT. Lots of noises. Now, does slow mean he's going to go fast, or does slow mean he's keeping slow? He's keeping slow. The MX-5 is cheeky, giving us the flash, and we have Boris the Micro coming into view with its new tiny little spoody boy installed. Hopefully we can hear the snail in action. I mean the snail is in the turbo. There he goes! It still seems slow. I think there's turbo lag is what it is. We've got the Monaro and the Subaru with the skull on the bonnet and machine guns on top. We have the blue Sirocco, the blue Clio, and the turquoise R34 with the 5 Series behind. Oh look, there's a Suzuki Cappuccino. We're going to get some horns and some waves and no sounds. Go on, blip it! We've had barely any revolutions today. And now it's E46 with a purple S14 behind. That was loud. Noises? It wasn't as loud. And a wide arch Astra with a spoiler. There's the Max Power Corsa and this Beetle, or another S14, and just behind it another one as well. His boot was open. I'd say that pink is definitely the colour of this year. Everyone's going pink. Either that or maybe rose gold. Yes, could I have 2 sugars and... no, oh. The cube is a spoiler. And another pink car. An S14. Got a Calibra, and a Calibra. Oh look, a Calibra. Oh, the Kia. Yes, hello. Oh no, someone has pulled over to put their roof up, I think. That's what's happened. Why would you do that there? Oh, it is a Mini, so yeah, it could be broken. Another pink car. Oh. Naughty, naughty. Oh, the van's just decided I'm going to plonk it there on the grass. Stop blocking me! Wow! That was quick. Lots of diesel dust. Take a look at this Mondeo. What's got written on it? I think he had the chalk out for everyone to write penises on it throughout the day. Oh look, it's got orange bits on it. A modified Tesla Model X. And a modified Z. Spoiler alert, this Tesla isn't grey. Who's popping? There is another pink S15 coming up behind a Mark V Supra. What are we thinking, guys? And now, I don't know if you can see it, we've got a BMW M3 pulling... Oh, he's pulling... Ah. That is very high vis in the evening sun. It really just pops. I believe I can fly. Oh. I believe I can touch the floor. Our new game is... Oh! Yeah, the new game is watch the lollipop and see if it gets hit. Well, this is going to be quick. Oh no, the lollipop. Chewbacca noises. Oh, here's a bit of a line-up, the Astra, the S15 and the Skyline. Oh, there we go. He was eager. But after that grand finale, there is something with a spoiler. It sounds quite nice. It is a Supra, that'll be why. That was pretty much that, I think. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights and pictures from these events that I do. But for now, thanks for watching.